Alright, so now I have two Osmo Pockets here. One of them is recording on 4K 30 frames per second and the other one is recording on 2.7K 30 frames per second. I'm actually traveling and I'm in Beirut. Let me frame these two similarly. This is a beautiful swimming pool on top of a hotel in a nice neighborhood, so we are comparing the two. On my left hand we have the 4K 30 frames per second Osmo Pocket, and on my right hand I have 2.7K, again 30 frames per second. Can you really see a difference between 2.7K and the 4K? That is the big question, because for me, I always use my GoPro at 2.7K, and 4K files are massive and they always cause trouble. By the way, the exposure is at -3 in both, so we can clearly compare what's going on. Ooh, now it's a changing light over here. Beautiful room, by the way. I'm hoping that I'm getting a similar field of view, but there you go. And yeah, I have two Osmo Pockets in case you didn't notice. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna put them side by side. Let's see. 4K footage looks better because the exposure is kind of better. Maybe DJI needs to put it up a bit better. And this hotel is called Hotel Albergo in Beirut. In case you want to visit one day, just visit this hotel. It's gorgeous. And then here we are back to the pool. This is going to be a very quick video comparing 2.7K with 4K on Osmo Pocket, i.e. my favorite camera. There you go. And this cutie over there is my wife. I already left her alone, so I'm gonna go back, and this video will be up soon. If you like the video, just hit the like button, and if you own an Osmo Pocket, just subscribe, because I'll keep mingling with my Osmo Pocket. This is a fantastic device. These two are actually my only cameras when I'm traveling, and right now I am traveling. I was in Berlin, I was in Amsterdam, now I'm at a more exotic location and panning. Okay, maybe you should see me. Flip. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Again, this one is 4K 30 and the other one is, okay, let me put it up nicely. Yes, the other one is 2.7K. Which one is better? Let me know. Can we do face track? Can we do face track? Yes. Now they are both doing the face track. Let's put the gorgeous pool behind me. 4K looks better on the screen, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.